Let's see how you can easily build AI agents for Facebook and Instagram that can easily handle any sort of messages or DMs and also the comments as well. So what happens is that when a particular customer sends you a message, the AI agent will simply respond to them based on the business information we have already provided, and also it can handle the comments on Facebook and Instagram. So that means it will simply add a comment reply as well. So let's see how to build this sort of AI agents for your own business, and this can actually handle multiple languages. So there are over 50 plus languages right here. So let's see how to build those sort of AI agents. So first of all, you need to connect your Facebook page and also the Instagram as well. For that, you have to go to channels and choose the Facebook Messenger and connect it. So if you are wondering how, we have a guide on in our help center where you can see Facebook page messenger automation. Here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Facebook page. So you will need to simply log in with Facebook and choose the Facebook page and simply connect it. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds. And likewise, if you are wondering how to connect your Instagram, the same process, simply click on connect and log in with your Instagram. Make sure all permissions are allowed so that we can actually add any sort of messages, send comment replies over there, and simply connect your Instagram. That's it. So once your Facebook page and Instagram is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations for them. And if you're planning to use the AI agents, or if you want to generate responses using the AI, then you also need to connect any of the API keys from these AI models, for example OpenAI. Otherwise, you can use Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, or DeepSeek as well. So let's imagine we want to use the OpenAI. So in that case, you also need to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform as well. So here you have to grab the API keys from this link. You can simply log in with your own ChatGPT account and simply create a new secret key and simply connect it on our platform. So that's it. So once it is done, you can simply build any sort of AI agents that can simply work on Facebook and Instagram to handle the messages and the comments as well. So you have to go to the AI hub over here and create a new agent. So in this case, I'm going to use the existing agent we have already created. So let me use this one, EduXL Academy. So this is an education business. So here we have all the information about that specific company right here. So if a particular customer asks any sort of question, it will use this sort of information to respond to them. So here we have added a prompt as well saying, you are the official customer service assistant for this company. Every response must be limited to 1 to 2 clear, concise sentences. Always reply in the exact language, script, or mixed style customer uses. Global blends like Spanglish, Franglish, or the native alphabet script such as Arabic, French, Spanish, etc. Keep your replies friendly, helpful, and natural while constantly mirroring the customer's writing style throughout the conversation. So this is the prompt so that it can simply handle any language the customer communicate over there. Here you can even choose what model to use as well. For example, let's say I want to use the GPT-5 to generate a response. You can do that. Otherwise, you can choose other models too. For example, let's use a GPT 4.1 over here. All right. And here you can set the temperature as you wish and also the maximum tokens as well. All right, and here you can even collect specific customer details during the conversation as well. So here you can achieve that through the AI function. So for example, we have added the AI function called as new application request to enroll in a course or program. So likewise, actually you can create any AI function and add that AI function into this AI agent so that it can simply collect specific details you have defined in that specific AI agent function. So here we have also in the prompt saying trigger the AI function, this one, if a customer wants to join a program or course or collect all the required details. So let me show how this AI function look like. So let me save it. All right, so now in the AI tools, you can even upload PDF files and use that information for your AI agent. And here let me go to the AI function and show you this particular AI function, new application request to enroll in a course or program. So here it says this is the name of the function, allows the user to submit a new application to request or enroll in a program. And here we actually collect a particular customer's name, the phone number, and also the program they are interested in. So once we collect all these details, we actually triggering a flow. I will show what flow looks like right here, and also send them a confirmation message saying we have received your request and one of our agents will contact you. So let me go to the flow which is triggered after customer provide all these 3 details. So let me go to the flow section over here, and this is the flow triggered. So here we have a simple assign conversation to admin action. That's it. So what happens is that when a particular customer submit a request to enroll in a new program or course, then this agent will be assigned Stella James, and they will also get notified as well, saying new student application, full name, phone number, and this is the interested program details as well. Please call as soon as possible. So they will get notified in the preferred channel they like, and they will receive all this information in the notification itself as well, so they can easily call the particular customer as well if they want. All right, so that's how this particular flow looks like. So now let's see how to activate this AI agent. So you have to go to AI Hub and choose this AI agent as the default agent. All right, so you can simply respond to the user messages using the AI models over there, and go to settings, choose integrations, open a ChatGPT, make sure this AI auto reply is switched on. And for example, if a particular customer send you a voice note, and if you want to respond to them again back in the voice note, then you can actually activate this option as well. And here you can choose any voice note or voice option you like. So let me choose this voice as well and save it. So what happens is that even if a particular customer sent a voice note in any of these languages, for example, let's say they send a voice note in French, the AI agent will respond back to them in the voice note but in French as well. So that's another important thing to look at. All right, so now we are done with the setup to handle the messages you receive on Facebook, Instagram, or other channels connected right here. So if you are wondering how to handle the Facebook comments and Instagram comments, then we are going to use the free template over here. Go to flows and choose the all free templates over here, comments automation. So here we have a free template to generate or handle responses for the AI comments on Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to keep the original as it is, what you can do is you can simply make a duplicate of this one. All right, so that has been duplicated, and here you can add a specific name to this specific template as well. So here let me go to the AI Hub and add the company name as well. So let me copy this information over here. All right, and let me rename this duplicate of the AI comment replies as, and let me say this particular company AI comment replies FB and IG. All right, and click continue. So let me open this particular free template. So this is how it looks like, very simple flow. And here you have instructions on how to use this one. So since we have actually created the AI agent through the AI Hub, this one is already created, we can actually use the same AI agent to handle the comments as well. So here open AI, and keep in mind currently it's set up to generate text. Instead you can change the option to generate text agent. So if you want to use the already created AI agent right here, so the benefit of using this sort of AI agent is that you can easily update any sort of information right here, and it will get updated throughout your AI bots, such as to handle the messages and also the comments as well. So that's why I prefer to use these AI agents and update the information right here, so it's easier for you in the future as well. So here keep in mind the response is saved to the custom field AI comment, and the user message is last FB comment. So keep a note of this one. Yeah, let me change to generate text agents and see what happens. All right, and choose the AI agent. So we have to choose this academy, choose this one, and here everything remain the same, user message last FB comment. So this simply work for the Instagram comments as well. So you can actually keep this as it is, don't change, don't make any changes, and the response will be saved in the AI comment. So that's it. All right, click continue and publish. That's it. So now you have to go to marketing tools over here and choose the Facebook comments automation and create a new one, and let me say FB comments and add this company name over here. All right, so here you can track comments on all posts, so it will simply work on all your published posts and also the future ones as well. Choose all posts, and here when they comment you have the option to send them a DM as well, not just comment replies. So for the comment replies we definitely need to choose this particular flow, Edu Excel Academy a comment replies. But if you want to send them a DM as well, whatever the comment you add, you can also do that. So what happens is that when they add a comment asking some information, you will add a comment reply, and also the same thing will be sent to them as a DM. Suppose if they respond to that specific DM, from there you can actually use the AI to handle those conversation and convert them as your customers as well. So let's activate the DM as well when they comment. So here let me choose the same flow. So what happens is that it will add a comment reply, and the same content will be sent as the DM as well. All right, and here you can choose all comments, so it doesn't matter whether they comment anything, it will use the AI to handle. And here you have other options as well. For example, you can like the comment, and if you want to delay this, you can delay by few minutes as well if you want. Otherwise let's choose immediately over here and click save. All right, so that's now active for the Facebook comments. So let's do the same thing for the Instagram comments as well. Instagram comments. Let me create a new one, this company AI comments, and here again try comments on all posts, private reply. If you want to send them a DM, you can do that. Let's do the same thing. And the public comment reply, this will be added as the public comment replies, the same thing. All right, and if you don't want to send them a DM, only want to add the public comment reply, here you can simply choose none. But for now, let me choose this one to see how this actually works. Reply to all comments, and here you have some other options as well. So let me click save over here. All right, and make sure to activate this one as well. All right, so now we are done with the setup. We have set up the comment replies on Instagram, Facebook, and also this AI agent will handle the messages as well. All right, so now let's test how this actually works. So here we have connected this Facebook page, which is demo chatting media. So let me go to the Facebook page over here, and instead of sending messages, let me add a comment over here and see how this actually works. So let me see, what certificate programs do you have? A comment and see what happens. Yeah, we receive the DM over here, and let me check view comment over here and see whether it has actually added a comment reply as well. So here I posted this comment. It says our certificate programs include these are the things right here, all available both online and on campus. So here, even though I just commented, since I got a DM, I can actually initiate the conversation through the DM itself. So let me say, that sounds great. I'm interested in the data science certification program, how to enroll. So here I expressed my interest in the data science certification program. Let's see how this actually works. So now it should actually start collecting my details. So as you can see here, that's awesome. To get started, to enroll in the data science certificate program, could you please provide your full name and the phone number? Simple as that. So now it actually start collecting the customer details. So let me say James Austin. So I'm just providing just my name, even though it asked me for the phone number as well. So let's see if it actually asks me to provide the remaining detail, which is the phone number. So let's see how this actually responds. So it says, thanks James, could you please share your phone number so I can complete your application for the data science certification program? That's great. All right, so let me send the phone number right here. Sure, my phone number is 917-243-5600. Let me send this message. Sure, my phone number is 917-243-5600. As you can see here, I'm not just sending the phone number. It includes the English sentence as well. So the AI has the capability to extract the phone number from this sentence and save it in the customer field as well. So let me send this and see what sort of response we are receiving over here. So here it says, thank you James, your request to enroll in the data science certification program has been received. One of our agent will contact you soon to guide you through the next step. Simple as that. So now if I go to the unified inbox over here, we should see the conversation happen. So here I'm in the inbox, and as you can see here, you can track all this conversation happened right here between the customer, and here you can find the customer phone number is right here, and the program or course they are interested is data science certificate, and as you can see here, this is assigned to Stella James as well. So from here, an agent can actually send any sort of messages. So if you have your SMS channel or connected right here, so here we have connected the SMS as well. From this unified inbox, and agent can easily send any sort of SMS messages to the customer as well. So that's also the option for the agent to contact your customers right from the SMS and also from the Facebook Messenger as well. This works the same on Instagram as well. So let me share my phone screen over here and test the same thing on Instagram. So let me add a comment over here asking, what programs do you have? So here let me ask about the programs they have and see what happens. So here we receive the message. It says we offer undergraduate, graduate, certification programs, computer science, business, etc, etc. Would you like details on a specific program? So, or even though I just added a comment, it simply send a DM and initiate a conversation and try to convert this particular customer. So let me ask some other random questions instead of just asking about the program. Let's see how this actually responds to us. So it will try to grab the information from the AI agent and respond us. So it says features academic buildings, residential hall, student centers, libraries, recreation centers, dining halls, computer labs, health counseling services, fitness facilities, and study lounges plus free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, need info on specific facility or service. So it's through the Instagram DMs as well. The AI agent has the capability to collect specific details. For example, let me say, I'm interested in enrolling in an undergraduate program. Can you help? So let me say I'm interested in enrolling in an undergraduate program. Can you help? Let's see how this actually respond to us. Absolutely. Please provide your full name, phone number, and the undergraduate program you are interested in. So let me ask about the undergraduate programs they have and see. Okay, can you list me the undergraduate program do you have? So let me ask about the undergraduate programs they have and see how this actually respond to us. It's bachelor in computer science, engineering, nursing, education, criminal justice, healthcare. So let me say I'm interested in the computer science. All right. Now it should actually ask me to provide my name and the phone number again. Great choice. Please provide your full name and phone number so I can start your application for the Bachelor of Science in the Computer Science. My name is John Justin and my phone number is 917-243-5689. So here I provide both my details in a single message. So again, it can simply capture all these details and send us the confirmation message as well. So let's see how this actually respond to us. Right, it says thank you John, and admission agent will contact you soon to discuss the next steps in this particular program. So now again you can track the conversation through this unified inbox. Refresh the chat, and this is from the Instagram, and you can find all these chats again. And here the customer phone number is here, and they are actually interested in the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science right here. And from here as well, an agent can actually send any sort of messages to the customer, and that will simply post the chatbot, and from here they can talk through the Instagram DM itself as well. So send a message to the customer and they will receive right in the Instagram DMs as well. That's it. And this simply work for WhatsApp too, through the WhatsApp messages and other channels too. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build AI agent for DMs and comments on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.